All right. Look, Richard, I get rid of the TV. All right, this is our to-do board. We've got,
Do we need to add some stuff to that?
No, because we're fixing the stuff right now, except for the bushings in the back, and that's really not going to be a big deal. So right now at the top, we've got the floor tunnel. We got to finish that. We've got the air tank, mount it, compressors, mount them, front lower bag mounts. We're getting close to doing that, running the air lines, set up the valves, run the switches, door poppers, cross member, all the cross members, the gas tank, the pan hard bar, air management, a radio, tires mounted on the rims, and buying proper headlights, just the light bulbs, and mount the rear bumper. We're trying to do this in the next 11 weeks, which gives us basically 11 days. So I'm only off one day each week, except for this weekend. This weekend, we are taking our daughter to the Jurassic Quest up in Little Rock. So that's the only thing there. Right here, things to buy. We need some 1x4 steel. We need to buy the tires still, the new tires, buy fittings, buy a trailer light kit, because we're not going to, and paint the frame as we go along. All this is for the Freaks of Nature. They're having an annual meeting in Fort Smith, and we're going to be going to that. And we really want to take the truck. Yes, I understand that we'll probably be critiqued at that, but I want to make sure that if we're going to be critiqued, I want to be able to fix the things that need to get fixed properly. I don't want to have a half-assed truck, and I want my truck to be club approved. So that's something that we will definitely be looking into. I think, did I have exhaust on there? Nope. Yeah, we need to put the exhaust on too. So that's all part of it. Yeah, right? We dressed up the toolbox here. So we've got all the stuff we need there. Of course, Thor Bros, that's my go-to company for all of my must-need parts. These are the 3 Sparks in the Ozarks that me and my wife have been to. This year will be our 4th one together. Slamily Reunion and Slam Specialties, which we've got those bags right there for the front end. Of course, everybody knows what that means. And always help to save second base. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. We've got 11 weeks, this being one of them. So actually, we only have 10 weeks minus this one now, which makes 9 weeks, 9 days to be able to get all of that done. We're going to be working diligently to get all that done. Hopefully this weekend we'll be able to get maybe the 2-link back on, and we'll be able to get that mounted back up and start getting some of the rear stuff done. Here in a couple days, we're going to be ordering the steel that we'll need for the rear, and that's what's going on. So I just wanted to give you guys a midweek update, and stay tuned, because we are going to be working on this thing every time I'm home. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. That's what's going on with this bagged Ranger. I forgot to say that at the beginning of the video, but that's what's going on with this bagged Ranger. Give comments at the bottom. Show support for us, please, because I mean, we like hearing you guys. And yeah. So yeah, come on, Freaks of Nature, freaks. We're gonna be in it. I swear to God, if it kills us, we're gonna be in it. Right, baby?
Yep.
Oh, really? What's the other yep over here for? What? What? What are we gonna be in?
Freaks of Nature.
Really? Oh. All right, everybody. Freak on, my friends.